you need to tell me about the magic. There's nothing to tell. Nothing's wrong. Sorry, what I mentioned there. I am wrong. It's fine. I'm bleeding and nervous. I'm a strong one. I'm not nervous. I'll cook it. I'll work this. All mountains, all churches. I'll worth this. Your eyes down, take. I'll guess how the work is. All the rock, the strong, the serpent, done. Black. When I take my win, I break a sun. But the surface, the tie-rope blocking and diamond circus. The surface, the ship, and the squirrel out of the eyes burning. And the surface, the dig apart, the surface. The four droids down, the scans back out with scans back and the shine, trip. Never so. The shine, tip, that's ready to blow. Whoa, give to sister. Get all the happenings we can shoulder. Who am I? I can. Oh, if I falter under the surface, I'm nervous on words. Some stories, something gonna hurt us. The surface, the ship transfer, the ice burning. On the surface, like they got wet. It's on the surface. The floor, crack, destroy, step, mix back and really comes back and rush out, chip, and no let go. Whoa. Lisa, what are you gonna do to me? Where is Bruno? You need to tell me about the magic. There is nothing to tell. Nothing to tell. And look what Bruno doing. What? Dude, what? I'm on it. Lisa, what are you doing? Oh, sorry. Lisa, what are you doing to me? Lisa, what are you doing? You need to tell me what the magic is. There's not in that towel.
Tell them about your dress.
My daddy got this for me. Me and Maribel match it.